All right, what's going on, traders? Mark here, coming at you with today's live trading, bright and early. Let's do a quick time and temperature check here. Today is Thursday, November 9th. You can see here it's a little bit after 10:30 in the morning. I'm getting ready to close out this second profitable trade of the day here. You can see my P&L. Kind of a small winner, but I'll take the win because I caught a really nice, larger winning trade early in the morning. And I'm going to tell you guys and gals why risk reward has been a game changer for me. And I truly believe that if you take the time to master risk reward concepts, and I'm going to show you what I do with my own trading every day. All right, this is all live. If you can master these concepts, man, I'm telling you, it'll change your trading forever. Okay? So let's get into it, folks. My name is Mark at DynoTrading. It is good to be with you, all you guys and gals that have been using this volume indicator color band this week. I hope you've been crushing it every day. This week has just been awesome. It's been incredible, okay? Now, I want to show you two live trades that I took. In fact, this live trade, which is a short that's on right now, has not yet hit either of my two risk reward targets, and in fact it looks like it's turning around, and that's okay. I made a bunch of money on this early morning trade here, but let me tell you what I like to do. Okay, so you guys know that, first of all, this volume indicator color band is spectacular at nailing the trend. Okay, but just because we get the trend direction right, which actually started early morning at about 7 o'clock, right? You can see here, let me just highlight this for you. All right, there's the trend change that started. I wish I had taken this retracement right here, but coulda, woulda, shoulda, right? You can only take what the market gives you. Okay. Plus, I like to wait until the volume comes in. Remember, guys, this is a volume indicator. It's in the name. Okay. So I like to draw this line here. This tells me when to be prepared for a lot of volume coming in because this is tied to the regular market open. All right. I believe that when the volume starts coming in, it's a great opportunity to look for trades. And wouldn't you have guessed it, I got a nice, beautiful retracement on the vol right here. Okay. I mean, this is what I classify as a perfect retracement setup. You guys and gals know the deal. All right. So this is what risk reward looks like, man. Okay. You'd look to take the trade on the open of the next bar. Your stop loss goes 1 or 2 ticks or pips underneath the signal bar's low. All right. And regardless of if you trade Forex or futures or stocks and options, I'm telling you, man, this idea of risk reward is going to change you. And at the very least, it's going to change your approach on how you look to manage your trade, stay in a trade, and above all else, make money. Okay? So it looks like this live trade is kind of just still dancing around. I'll come back and show you what's going on with this live trade, but I want to show you first the winning trade that's already been closed. Okay? So you can see right here, all the markers are on the chart. All right? This spacing here between the two lines is the risk on the trade. You understand? And risk reward, guys, is simply just doubling the spacing. Here's 1 to 1, here's 1 to 2, here's 1 to 3, so on and so on. And I apologize if the spacing is not perfectly accurate. Just try to eyeball it if you're going to be drawing out this profit grid. Okay? And that's what this is. This is a profit grid based on risk reward. All right? So I've been getting a little bit more aggressive. Today I was asked the market to give me 3 to 1 and not just 1 to 1. Okay. And I feel that 3 to 1 also works very well if you know your market. And so if we take off the grid, and by the way, look at this thing. It's really starting to move in my favor now here. I think I was only up $110. Now it's up almost $200. It's ticking around live, right? So we'll see. Anyway, the reason I love that profit grid is because it sort of forces you to become disciplined. And you guys know, the only people that make money trading the market are disciplined traders. Okay? And so when you force yourself to take profits on a winning trade, that's a good thing. And a risk reward grid that you saw me draw out is really going to help you get disciplined at your trading. Okay? And you can see right here, all right, I hit my first target of 3 to 1. Or you can see that right here. Long take profit number 1. This was beautiful. And then, I was waiting for the second half of my position because I only closed half here. I wanted to go for like 5 to 1 on the second half, which would have been somewhere around here. And the market didn't want to give me that today, right? Instead, you can see here, if I fit this back to scale, the market actually reversed and then gave me a short signal right over here. Okay, another perfect retracement. So what do? Yep, you guessed it. I close out my long trade at a profit, by the way, because you can see here the long trade got exited right here. And at the same time, I opened up a short trade. You understand? I mean, it's too easy, guys, right? 1, 2, 3, easy peasy. Okay, so you can kind of see here. I'll try to overlay this. I got filled right there when I pressed the sell short button. My stop loss, which you can still see here, is this pink line. I'll just go ahead and try to flatline it for you. And you can see my targets are all the way down here. This is 3 to 1, and this is 5 to 1. And neither of these two targets have got hit yet because I'm still in this short trade. And I am currently profitable because the market is trending in my favor. All right. Now, I don't know what I'm going to do with this trade. I got some lunch meetings happening, so I got to take off early today. I might just close this trade, take a nice small profit because I already made $500 from this nice long earlier today. So at this point, this is just bonus money, right? But I hope this gives you guys an idea on how and why a profit grid can be so effective, like why I think it works, and more importantly, this is how you can potentially use risk-reward concepts, which is nothing more than a simple idea of 1 to 1, 2 to 1, 3 to 1. And I'm convinced this is going to help you accomplish two things. Number one, it will force you to become disciplined for sure. And number two, you're going to see how quickly trades can work in your favor. Guys, that'll do it for this video. If you'd like to get your hands on this powerful volume indicator, then get in touch, call, text, email, whatever's convenient, and I'd be happy to hook you up with a free one-on-one demo, really show you how this volume indicator is going to supercharge your trading. Guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next trade.